Subaru just made its boldest move yet. The 2027 Getaway is a 3-row, all-electric SUV, and the competition has no real answer for it. If you've been holding off on electric because 3-row options felt too slow, too compromised, or too dependent on unreliable charging infrastructure, the Getaway was built specifically for buyers like you. Most people assume a practical family SUV has to give something up to deliver real performance, but the 2027 Subaru Getaway arrives with 420 horsepower and direct access to the Tesla supercharger network, making it the most powerful production Subaru ever built. Range that gets the job done. Ask any electric vehicle buyer what matters most, and the answer is almost always the same. Range. Not features, not screens, not styling. Range. The 2027 Subaru Getaway is going to be equipped with a 95.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack, and Subaru is putting the estimated driving range at well over 300 miles, a number that genuinely puts range anxiety behind you. Think about what long-distance driving in an electric vehicle actually looks like for most families today. You're mapping charging stops before you leave the driveway. You're pulling off a highway you didn't plan to exit, loading everyone into a gas station and waiting, sometimes longer than expected. That friction is one of the biggest reasons families hesitate when considering the switch to electric. The Getaway addresses it directly, and not just through range numbers. A built-in NACS charging port gives every owner access to the Tesla supercharger network, one of the most reliable fast-charging infrastructures in the country. The detour stops start disappearing, and long trips start looking a lot more manageable. Maximum charge rate is rated at 150 kilowatts, and under ideal conditions, a 10 to 80% charge takes around 30 minutes. Subaru is also including a battery preconditioning system, which brings the battery to its optimal temperature before charging begins, particularly valuable in colder climates, where performance and charge speeds tend to suffer most. A smaller battery option is expected to follow the initial launch, bringing the entry price down for buyers who don't require the full range capability. Range is covered, the charging network is accessible, but none of that matters if the powertrain underneath can't justify the price of admission. And this is exactly where the Getaway stops being predictable. Powertrain, plenty of power. 420 horsepower in a 3-row family SUV. That number deserves to stand on its own before anything else is said. Every 2027 Subaru Getaway is coming standard with a dual-motor electric powertrain, and that output figure rewrites what this brand is capable of at the top of its lineup. Merging onto a busy highway in a fully loaded family SUV is one of those moments that separates a capable vehicle from one that merely looks the part. With 3 rows of passengers on board and a short on-ramp ahead, you need acceleration that actually responds. The Getaway's dual motor setup delivers torque from a complete stop with no hesitation and no buildup. Subaru is quoting a 0 to 60 time of under 5 seconds, well ahead of what most buyers would expect from a vehicle in this category. For perspective, the Toyota Highlander EV, which shares significant platform DNA with the Getaway, is rated at 338 horsepower. The Getaway is producing 420, 82 more from the base configuration. That gap is going to be felt every time both vehicles are given the same stretch of open road. This is the most powerful Subaru currently in production, not a sports car or performance variant, but a body style built for everyday family life. 420 horsepower is a serious number, but it doesn't mean much if it's only going to 2 wheels. The way the Getaway puts all of that power to the ground is just as much a part of the story. Standard all-wheel drive, built into every model. Subaru has built its reputation on one principle above most others. All-wheel drive is not an upgrade, it is the starting point. The 2027 Getaway carries that philosophy directly into the electric era. Every model in the lineup is going to come equipped with all-wheel traction, delivered through the dual-motor powertrain itself, with one motor driving the front axle and one driving the rear. That architecture is meaningfully different from the approach some rivals take, where a rear electric motor is added as an afterthought to a front-wheel drive platform. In the Getaway, both axles are purpose-driven from the ground up. Balanced, consistent traction across the full speed range, not just when wheel spin triggers an electronic response. Ground clearance sits at 8.3 inches, expanding the Getaway's possibilities well beyond school pickups and grocery runs. Gravel driveways, light forest roads, snow-packed suburban streets. This SUV handles all of it without hesitation. Buyers who mix regular commuting with weekend adventures are going to find the Getaway an unusually capable fit for both sides of that lifestyle. A capable drivetrain is worth having, but a vehicle that spends most of its life carrying families has to earn its keep on the inside just as much as it does on the road. That's the next part of the conversation. Spacious and practical cabin. 3 rows of seats only count for something when those rows are actually livable. The 2027 Getaway is going to come with second-row captain's chairs as standard equipment, creating a 6-passenger configuration with comfortable separated seating in the middle row. Buyers needing to carry 7 can opt for the available 3-across bench seat without sacrificing the overall character of the cabin. Cargo space is handled well across both configurations. Behind the third row, there's 15.9 cubic feet of storage, enough for daily essentials with all seats occupied. Drop that third row and the number climbs to 45.6 cubic feet behind the second row, which is a practical amount of space for luggage, sports gear, or anything else along for the trip. Anyone who has taken a family on a long drive knows the moment it starts. Someone's phone is at 8%. There's one cable in the center console and the negotiation begins. USB-C charging ports are going to be available in all 3 rows, which means every passenger has a dedicated place to plug in. On a 4-hour drive with a full vehicle, that removes one of those recurring friction points that quietly define the ownership experience. The space works, the practicality is genuine, but what separates strong contenders from the rest of the segment is everything loaded into the technology and safety package, and the Getaway has more to offer there than most buyers will anticipate. Tech and safety. The 2027 Getaway is going to be equipped with a 14-inch infotainment touchscreen across the entire lineup, placing it among the more generously sized displays in this segment. Alongside it sits a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, giving the driver a wide, clear readout without clutter. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard across all trim levels. No cables, no workarounds. Moving up through the trim structure unlocks a strong set of available upgrades. A head-up display, a 360-degree camera system, dual wireless charging pads, interior ambient lighting, and a semi-autonomous parking assist system all feature on upper configurations. Subaru's EyeSight Driver Assist system is going to be standard on every single Getaway, regardless of trim. Front automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, lane change assist, and adaptive cruise control are all included without an options upgrade. Front cross traffic alert arrives on higher trims, completing a thorough safety package from the base model up. Everything covered so far makes a strong case for the Getaway, but none of it matters if the price puts it out of reach. So let's talk about what this SUV is actually going to cost and whether the numbers hold up. Release date and price. The 2027 Subaru Getaway is going on sale in late 2026, with pricing expected to start at approximately $60,000. That positions it at a moderate premium above the Toyota Highlander EV. But the Getaway comes standard with 82 more horsepower, and that difference is straightforward to justify. At $60,000, buyers are getting 420 horsepower, over 300 miles of estimated range, built-in supercharger network access, standard all-wheel drive, a 14-inch infotainment screen, and a full EyeSight safety suite in a 3-row electric SUV. Against what rivals are offering at similar price points, that is a genuinely strong package. A smaller battery variant is expected to follow, bringing the entry price down for buyers who want everything this SUV offers without paying for maximum range. The 2027 Subaru Getaway is coming in as a fully loaded proposition. Over 300 miles of real-world range, 420 horsepower pushing all 4 wheels, direct access to the Tesla supercharger network, 3 livable rows, and a safety package that covers every buyer from the base trim up. At approximately $60,000, it is priced to compete and equipped to win, in a segment where most rivals are still trying to find their footing. This is not a cautious entry into the electric SUV space. It is a statement, and the competition is going to feel it. Now, the new SUV will certainly gain a lot of traction, but keep in mind that a vast number of loyal Subaru customers are pretty conservative. For them, internal combustion remains a must, and the good thing is that there's an excellent 3-row family SUV alternative available in the form of the Subaru Ascent you can check out in our next video. Excellent all-wheel drive system, spacious cabin, and potent turbo 4 engine are just some of the things that make this SUV great.